About AI Studio and how you can build a website with one prompt using Vibe code here on GoHighLevel. We're going to jump right into it right away. We're going to find a real example, have it build, and we're going to see how long it takes. So I already went ahead. I found a website here just in the area. It looks like it's a little outdated. We're going to take one prompt and then see what it can turn this into. So here's a prompt that I've already created. What you do is you just copy and paste this into AI Studio. And then we're going to want to grab the actual homepage URL. So what we're going to do is come here, copy and paste that. We're going to go and do the same for the about, which I don't think they had an about page. I didn't see one. No. So we'll just say create a about page because they don't have one. Services URL. I also don't think they have one on there. I saw. I do have a contact. We'll grab that. So contact, we're going to say there. The services, we'll just copy the same thing up here that we put since they don't have a service URL. And again, this service URLs are important for, you should be creating your primary services pages individually for each one of those and then have different ones for cities too if you want to be locally found. All that helps build out your business so it gets found better locally. Do they have a testimonies? They do have a testimony, so we'll grab that. Oh, so there's nothing on that page. Another idea we could do, since they don't have a testimonials page, is let's use their Google business profile and create a testimonial page with their reviews. And I'm going to go grab their actual, I know I saw it somewhere. It doesn't look like they have a Google page. Okay, so I'm remembering wrong. So we'll just have to create a new, this might not work as well, but we can just say, we'll just do create one also. Page, and use filler content. Then let's look to see if they have any other, they have gallery, landscape services. I guess that was a service page. Okay, additional, the gallery. Grab that. Looks like they have some really good photos. Okay, so all we do now, or click on it here, and now it's going to build that website out first. So it's going to be thinking on the left-hand side here. It's going to be telling you what it's doing. So it's reading through everything. It's building a live preview for us on the right-hand side here. You can see how the AI Studio, the agent here, is thinking through, reading through everything, scanning that website. It's running through that huge master prompt that we have in there. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's in the prompt. So what it's going to do is execute a complete website growth concept to include requirements, homepage. We're trying to create call to actions. Oh, I heard a beep here. Let's see what it's doing. Choose a color palette that best fits. I don't think those color palettes are what we want. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this eyedropper tool here. Grab their color. And then I also grab the black and grays here. All we're doing is just pasting these colors in so it gets their brand colors. Say next. Let's look at the fonts. They just have a basic font there, so we're just going to keep it kind of straight, basic font. Nothing too fancy there. Layout, yeah, that looks good. Submit. All right, so it's thinking now, it's putting the brand there. We'll see. I don't know if it'll actually pull in the logo. I can't remember if I put that in the prompt. We might have to add that. So it's looking through all the pages. It's going to brand analysis, logo usage. Okay. Design. Communicate how visual design. We put in this big prompt here. The type, color palette, imagery, local business optimization, trust requirements, motion, interaction design, client presentation mode, final deliverables. We're also, I believe I put in the prompt to help write some of the SEO. So we'll do a test here too, and I can show you how you can see if it actually puts some of the SEO meta titles and descriptions in there. So right now what it's doing is set up the design system, it's routing, it's fetching all the services, putting in there. It's gonna create the content, build the shared components. It's got a little checklist here on the left here, and then it says the home page, build services and galleries, build about, testimonials, and contact. So this one's not the best example, maybe because it doesn't have all those pages. We're at to create something from nothing, but it'll give us a good starting point, and then we can talk with that if they turn into a customer, or if you are building websites through Vibe coding here and AI Studio with GoHighLevel, you can then just talk with them and drop all this information. It's a good way to get in and kind of show them some stuff you can do with not a ton of work, and to see if they have any interest in a website. But the nice thing when you build a website quickly like this is you can actually build and connect everything. So your workflow automations, so automatic follow-ups, there's a chat widget, there's a reputation management widget that you put in to help them get them Google reviews. I have other videos that talk about all that stuff. We're not going to talk about it today, but there also is super agents is a big one here. So you can have agents chat back and forth and they'll know the business. You can do AI voice that'll call and talk with them or answer calls as they come in. So like an office assistant. And if you haven't heard of GoHighLevel, that's something you should look into for your local service business. It's definitely something you should do. I have a link down below for a 30-day free trial that you can just sign up below and start building it yourself. If you don't want to go through all the technical stuff and getting everything set up and connected, you can also reach out to us down below. I have a link for my business website, a contact form, set up an appointment with me, or to shoot me an email. You can also leave a comment down below as this is building here. What are some things that you're running into that you have issues with? Maybe for your website, do you not have any automations? Are there other things that you wish your business could do, or you're just kind of found this video, stumbled upon this channel right now, and you're trying to figure out, okay, how can I be more efficient? You're maybe an electrician or a plumber, some type of service business, and you're trying to wear multiple hats. I know that. I've been there. That's kind of how I stumbled upon GoHighLevel. I was just looking for a solution and came across it over a year and a half ago, and I've been using it for my own business, and it's kind of been a game changer in the way I do things with marketing and following up. Because there's always things that you just get busy doing, and sometimes you forget to do that extra follow-up that fourth, fifth time. Sometimes that's what turns into that job. I've got other videos that talk about missed call text back. That's another one if you don't want to use AI agents. So say you're busy on a job and you miss a call, it automatically texts them back so you don't lose that lead. Those are some things that are very helpful. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, what are things that your business struggles with, or is it technology and like being found online? Can help shoot some videos on that, how to help you learn how to be found better through building city service pages. Is getting more Google reviews helps, and kind of tying those two together, and then having a website that's usability, it's user friendly, and makes sense to your customers, and actually Google knows what's going on. You have SEO structure that's correct. I've been doing this for over a decade, building a lot of websites, and now have been doing more and more marketing stuff with seeing over the years of how things slip through the cracks, and business owners get busy and they don't want to have to worry about just following up with every single lead, every call, every email, remembering who they haven't talked to. So it's another big thing is just the CRM part that's built into this GoHighLevel system here. So with getting AI Studio and building a quick website, it really helps from the foundation, everything, having all your contacts in one spot. If you're on Facebook Messenger or Instagram, do social media posting, you can do directly in GoHighLevel. There's just so many tools here, and it can be overwhelming. So if that's something you're interested in, you want help, reach out to me below. I have my link below in contact. I'm going to stop babbling about stuff here. It looks like it's still taking a while. I'm going to pause the video. We'll come back and we'll show what it came up with and talk through that. Built the website here. It looks like it took about 10 minutes or so. How long was me for the babble there? It was done in a few minutes later after I turned off the video. 33 tools it used. You can go in here. You can see the details. It wants to connect the CRM. We're not going to worry about that right now because it's a demo account. But you would connect it, and that's really helpful because then we started getting the phone numbers coming in the forms, all that stuff, everything's just coming in the CRM at one spot. So you can see right now, we go from this website here, we'll load up the homepage again to what they have. So, I mean, it's okay, but it's outdated a little bit. So this is what it's saying to keep it clean and have nice call to actions up here. It's got different sections. We're going to see if it actually built all this out. So, okay, it's keeping it clean. This is really nice here. Using the white space, got call to actions. You can see down the bottom, it's actually got the name, address, phone number correctly. I mean, this is already above from what they have. And then the tie in the automations with it and everything. It's just going to be a game changer for local businesses like this that are probably not getting much of anything from their website. It's a lot more professionally branded. You can come in and we can actually click to see if some of these things work. Let's see if it has an about page. Okay, so it built it. It's pretty bare. We'd have to get more content for them if we were actually building their website for them. Okay, here's information on that. Okay, yeah, just keep it nice, simple, and clean, which is great. And then, of course, I just put some reviews in here. Contact page, it's got a form. And so how this would work is this form would then go into the CRM, and then we could trigger automations in there. We could turn on AI agents, super agents, all those things to start interacting with that customer. They have a chat widget built in here. There's so much more that you can do if you're already in the GoHighLevel system, which is just crazy. So yeah, this website looks like it turned out pretty good. I'm still getting used to the vibe coding, how it can build a website so fast. I've been building websites for, like I said, over a decade, and I know what it takes to build in WordPress and all those things. And WordPress is good to still build in because it's just known for making it easy to update and having the foundation correct for SEO purposes. But that leads into the other thing I was going to talk about is, okay, let's preview this and let's see if it actually, if it has the structure for the SEO correct on the back end here. So I have this little tool in Google Chrome here that can let me look at this. So it does have a title. That's great. Description. It's got an H1, H2, H3. It's only got one H1. That's great to see. So we can go in here and see what those headings are. And you can always come in and prompt it to have something a little better for that service area. Right now, it's not really telling it's for the Brainerd Lakes area or Merrifield or Nisswa, some of those cities. So we maybe want to mention some of that in there, or we could prompt it to create some new service pages also. So maybe the landscaping pages, if we talked about different things that they build. I didn't look to see what type of, so they have hardscaping walls, lawn maintenance, maybe they do boulder walls, different things outside. We could talk about those services, like say lawn care and maintenance for Nisswa, Pequot Lakes, and build all these different cities with that service until we could prompt it. Maybe I'll put that in another video and see how it does, and then we'll check out the SEO purposes, see if it's set up pretty good. We want to interlink all this stuff. This is really basic. We can see all the images. We'd want to alt tag them with alt. So it looks like it did put alt tags, which is great. To take it a step further, we put some of the locations in there. Doesn't have any with not alt tags. So some of these things it's doing well already. You just have to make sure you have the correct prompt. And the vibe coding is crazy. It can do things that would take days now in just a few minutes, an hour or two. And you could be up and running pretty quickly. So if you like this type of content, leave a comment below, give us a like, subscribe. I'll keep creating more content for the business owners and people out there that are trying to learn how to do stuff with GoHighLevel, web design, WordPress, all that stuff. I do have a link down below if you want to sign up for GoHighLevel and you don't have it, or you want to upgrade your plan. You can sign up directly through me. There's a 30-day free trial below. Also, I do set this up for you if you don't even want to worry about the technical side and you just say, hey, Mark, that looks great. You can reach out below and contact us through my business website down there, and I'd be happy to help you out, or just leave a comment for me and I can reach out to you directly. All right, stay tuned for the next video.